So this is part of an old windmill. And it's a very hot day. And hopefully we're going to find a geocache around it somewhere, or around here somewhere. So here is a quick look at the actual windmill itself, and what we're going to do is try and look for a geocache here and then a couple more down the road. Keep walking around it. Oh, it was built in 1722.
That is relevant. Because that's number.
Oh wow. Wow, it's full of holes. Hey? It could be in any of these holes, guys. It could be in any of these holes, guys. Wow, it's even got a tree growing in the middle of it. Go away, missus. Well, we found it, guys. And it was in one of these. But it went on the bottom, trust me. It was high up. But that made it all the more fun. So yeah, that's that one done. That was fun. It was an easy find. Basically, I had to climb up the tree and have a good look around. So, right, there's another one apparently up this lane, so we'll go and find that next. Okay, now we've got the next building, whatever it is. Don't know. Let's have a quick look on the board. I'm sure it will enlighten us as to what it is. Oh, part of another windmill. So this is part of another windmill. Is it not here?
No, you can go in it.
You can go in it? Oh, lizard. Oh. Oh, he's a big one. Hello. Hello, my lizard friend. Lizards are... No, but it's just part of the mill. Oh no, they're not grapes, they're berries, blueberries. Or currants.
They're edible.
Oh, I'd have thought so. You can't even see it from the road. There's a cache here. I can see it, it's on front. I can literally see it. Yeah, it's up there, and it's a jar. So it's to do with that jar.
However, it is 1.7 metre drop.
Ciao. There's a fishes in there.
Is there coming up? Just a go.
So another cache found. Another one done. That takes us to 4 so far today. So thank you very much for watching today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to check out the playlist from France 23.